Ace Studio just dropped VST Effects integration. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you. So we have this cool little beat here. And that's been looped several times. If we just click on this little FX button, basically you can look at all your VSTs by type or by brands. Now I know a lot of you guys might not have any VSTs, so at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get or to find some free VSTs so you can actually use them yourself without paying. And some of them are really good actually. Let's just add a bit of reverb here. So we can just add something called Valhalla Vintage Verb. It's one of my favorite reverbs. And this is really what it can do to the song. We could just hear it without the reverb. Now let's hear it with the reverb. Now we just reduce the mix. You wouldn't normally put reverb on a drum, but I just want to basically for you guys to hear the effect it can have on any of these tracks. Right click, add a layer, and we're just going to add a little synth section to this, and we're going to generate. Okay, so this is the synth that was generated from add a layer. Not bad at all. So let's go ahead now and add some effects to it. One of my favorite effects is the RC retro color. And we're going to just select one of the presets from this effect. In fact, let's try a few because they're all very interesting actually. This gives it a bit more of a lo-fi effect. So you'll notice that the overall sound is a bit low. So let's go ahead and put some effects on the master. And what that does for all of the tracks underneath the master, this is going to be a global effect that affects everything together, kind of glues everything together. The best thing to do is to add a mixer or a compressor. So just add a bit of volume here. Now let's go ahead and create a bass line for this really interesting track. Once again, add a layer, and this will be pulsating bass line. Now we just added our bass line, so let's go ahead and add a neutron again. Now let's listen to it with the rest of the mix. Yeah, that's much better. So you've got a bit of a deeper bass sound there. Okay, now let's add a vocal. I don't know what lyrics to put in, so I'll just say something really basic like "Come to me, I'm your lover." It's pretty cheesy. "Stay with me, forever yours." So we'll just generate those lyrics. So what I'm going to do is put a compressor back onto the vocal. Then I'm going to add some reverb. Once again, that Valhalla Vintage Verb that we used previously. And yes, let's just go ahead and listen to those together. Let's add a micro shift as well. We'll add that before the vintage verb so you can see here you can move the positioning of it, and let's give that a go as well. Start with dry signal. So I want to select an EQ, and the one I like is called Fab Filter Pro Q4, because if you solo the bass line, it's just a little bit too much high end on it. So let's go and get rid of some of that high end, and we'll just leave it to be very more bassy. Just sounds a bit more balanced. So if we just listen to the whole thing together now, we just unsolo it. Now, the other thing I want to do to this vocal is I want to add some delay. So one of my favorite delay effects is replica. Let's just listen to it on the default setting. So you can reduce the mix if it's too much. And finally, there's another effect we could use called, well, basically on the Pro Q4 again, if we wanted to, and we could just use the setting here called phone. The phone setting is basically so it's basically a setting that removes all the low end and most of the high end. It sounds like you're on a phone, ironically. Yeah, just the effects add that extra layer. And what's really scary is soon these guys are going to be adding instruments, and that is just another layer of brilliance. This is really what I keep saying in my previous videos. This is really for musicians or people that really want to construct music. It's a DAW. It's not even cloud-based. This is basically software that you use on your computer, and it's super powerful, and the way it keeps changing and improving all the time. I've been watching it evolve is super impressive.